Hello guys, welcome to this new section in Power BI Power Query, how to append Excel tables, sheets from single file. So it is possible in Power BI just using button clicks, nothing more than. And this can be automated, okay? Complete automation process. So that's a topic we have how to open multiple Excel tables or sheets from single file. I have a file and that's kept into this folder monthly sales single file which is in Excel. That's in annual sales data. And usually what happens when every month whenever the sales happen, a person executive in the company creates separate sheets and keeps into one Excel file. So how do we get it one below the other and do it in Power BI? How do we do that? Okay, these are the 7 files you can see, and purposely and I have kept same data. I mean similar data everywhere. The column headings, values and numbers of the records are there. So date column is changing everywhere and client name are also changing. So column name are same. If you observe date, client and sales in billion, the position of the column can be anywhere, no problem. The number of the column can be extra or less. This is also not a problem. So let us see practically how to open those 7 sheets into Power Query Power BI. I close that file and open Power BI Get Data Excel, and I'll open that file which is annual sales details. Click on open. Now when I click on open, it will show me all the sheets which are present. Since I want everything to be appended, I can select all the sheets here. There are 10 records per sheet. If you count, you will be getting 10 records here. So 10 into 7, I should get 17 records as an output. 7 sheets and 10 records. I can click on transform data. So this will, load all the 7 sheets in Power Query, and those would be visible in the left hand side pane. That will be visible here. You can see Jan to July. There are all 7 months. So now what I can do is I want to create one more new query where all the sheets will be appended. So I can go to Home tab, and here we have the option Append Query. So if I click this drop down, there are 2 options: append query to an existing query or append a new query here. Since I want a new query, I will just click on append queries as new. So when I want to append, it will give me choice like how many queries do you want to append, how many tables, 2 tables or 3 tables or more tables. Definitely I have 6, so I'll select the option 3 or more tables. March is automatically selected because March was highlighted. When I click on that button, so I can just double click April, double click Feb, Jan, July, May. So one by one, I have to bring all the queries which I want to append. Okay, so these are 7 sheets. I can click on OK button. The final output I will be getting, and name of the query will be append 1. Okay, I can rename that, and these are all the 3 columns which I had. Okay, and how many records I have? It's given at the bottom. 70 records are there. 70 records are there. Now I think I should rename this as annual sales 2020. Now the best part about this Power Query in Power BI is, in case in those 7 files any records, adds, deletes or modifies, any changes happen. So here this would be update. Okay, here I have to click on refresh button. Since it's a desktop application, I have to manually click on refresh, but if I publish it on online, okay, on the Power BI service, it can do it automatically. Whatever time and whatever schedule you assign, it will do automatically. Okay, that's very simple here. So that's it. I hope you have understood how to append multiple sheets or table from one single Excel file in Power BI. For more insightful content, explore our open topics section. Don't forget to connect with us, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for the latest updates.